Welcome back. Now that you have the opportunity to introduce yourself, it's time for us to review what you will be learning and doing each week. I recommend that you open the syllabus as we do this review, and you can find the syllabus on Blackboard. So on week number 1, we are taking care of getting to know each other and to review the course schedule and expectations. As you can see on the syllabus, in terms of assignments, this week you will have to post on 2 different discussion boards. You will have to read chapter 1 of the textbook, plus a document titled Human Resources Impact on Company Culture, and you will have to complete quiz number 1 on Blackboard as well. Then, on week number 2, we will talk about the different roles within human resources, the human resources strategy and planning, and we will engage through 1 discussion board. You will read chapter number 2 and complete quiz number 2, and you will also be responsible to complete an additional assignment, which will be a SWOT analysis. On week 3, the topic will be equal employment and discrimination. We will have 1 discussion board, and you will read chapter 3 and also complete quiz number 3. Then on week number 4, we will transition into workforce, jobs, and retention. And on that week, we will have 1 discussion board. You will read chapter 4, complete quiz number 4, and you will also complete another assignment, which will be a turnover calculation. Then moving on week number 5, we will talk about staffing, recruiting, and selection. And once again, we will have 1 discussion board, plus you will take the time to review chapters 1, 2, 3, and 4 from the textbook in order to prepare for your midterm exam, which is happening on week number 6. And that will be an online exam on Blackboard to evaluate what you have learned at that point. Also, on week number 6, you will read chapter 5 and complete quiz number 5. Then, going to week number 7, we will talk about training, talent management, and career development. We will have 1 discussion on the discussion board, and you will read chapter 6, also complete quiz number 6, and you will have an additional assignment that week, and that will be a group assignment. Then on week number 8, we will learn about performance management and appraisals. We will have 1 discussion on the discussion boards, and you will need to read 2 chapters on the textbook, which will be chapters 7 and 8, and you will also complete quiz number 7. In addition, you will have another assignment. On week number 9, we will talk about total rewards and compensation, and also executive compensation and benefits. That week we will have 2 discussion boards, and you will be responsible to read the last 2 chapters of the textbook, meaning chapters 9 and 10. And also you will complete final quiz, which will be quiz number 8. On week number 10, the topic will be risk management, worker protection, and employee relations. We will also talk about unions, including management relations and grievances. You will participate in the final 2 discussion boards, and you will be responsible to study chapters 5 to 10 in preparation to your final exam, which will be happening on week 11. That will be our last week together. And on that week, that is the only assignment that you will have. So, as you can see, human resources is much more than parties, picnics, hiring people, and firing people. Human resources today should sit at the table and be a business partner who understands the business and has a strategic mindset and approach to make an impact on company culture and the company's objectives. So at the end of this course, letter grades will be assigned according to the following grading scale, which you can see on the screen. So if you accomplish 155 points total or more, your grade will be an A. If you accomplish anything between 140 and 154 points, your grade will be a B. If you accomplish anything between 120 and 139, you will get a C. 100 to 119 points will give you a D, and anything below 99 points will represent an F as your grade. Hopefully nobody's gonna end up with an F. Here are the ways that you can earn those points. So we want to have the weekly discussions on the discussion boards, and it will be a total of 12 different boards, 12 different discussions. And if you meet the requirements for each of them, that will give you 5 points for each of those boards, with a total of 60 points. Then we're going to have weekly online quizzes. Each of them is worth 5 points for a total of 40 points. There will be 4 additional assignments. Each of those also are worth 5 points, which will give you a total of 20 points. The midterm exam is going to be 25 points. The final exam is 25 points as well. So that equals a total of potentially 170 points. Also, I'm going to give you the chance to earn extra credit. There will be a chance to earn 10 extra points through an additional assignment. And if you want to find the details for that assignment, please check the syllabus. Now, what is my approach? Well, I'm here to partner with you, and my goal is that you learn something from this course and you find value on the time and money that you are investing here. Every class will have videos to watch. Don't complete any assignments before watching the corresponding videos, as the communication with the details that you will need to complete each of those assignments will be deployed through those videos. It is important that you meet your deadlines to be eligible for full credit in all quizzes, exams, discussion boards, and any assignments that could be part of this class. Missing deadlines may result on losing points or not being eligible for any of those points. The key source of engagement that we will use in this virtual environment will be the discussion boards. So let me tell you a little bit more about those discussion boards. Students are expected to actively participate in discussion boards and answer each discussion question. The first initial post needs to be posted by day 3 of each week, meaning Wednesday. And in addition to that, you will be required to post at least 2 more times per week, meaning that every week you will be required to post at least 3 times on each discussion board. The last 2 posts should be done before Sunday of each week. Check additional details in the syllabus to learn what is required for each of those discussion boards. There will be an assignment for extra credit, which can give you potentially up to 10 points, and that will include for you to upload a video where you will be presenting an HR topic. Again, check the syllabus for more details. I will be available upon request, and the most effective way to contact me will be via email. My email is on the screen, so any inquiries received from you will be responded within 48 hours. Now, take a few minutes to review in detail the syllabus. There's a lot of great information there that you need to know to be successful during this class. So check every single page, and when you finish doing that, please come back and watch video 3 of week 1. See you soon.